Please like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell icon to update new knowledge. Okay, thank you.
Here we have gone to question number 19. From the top of a tower, 75 feet high, and 75 feet high, the angle of depression of the roof of house is theta degree. If the distance between the tower and house is 25 root 3 feet and height of the house is 50 feet, then find the value of theta. Here we have the figure from the top of a tower 75 feet high. Here we have the tower 75 feet high and the angle of depression, of the roof of house. Here it is the roof of house. The angle of depression is theta degree. And now, if the distance between the tower and house is 25 root 3 meter, 25 root 3 feet. Here we have the house and it is the tower. It distance between them is 25 root 3 feet and height of the house is 50 feet. Then find the value of theta. We have to find the value of theta. Here depression here is 30 degree, theta degree. So it is parallel to each other. Then it is alternate angle. So this angle is equal to this angle because it is a Z shape. Here we can see, and AD this is 50 feet and D this is 25 root 3 feet. B is equal to 75 feet. Solution. Here we have the figure. We have laid that this B be the height of tower and AD be the height of house. This is the height of house. DE be the distance between them. DE be the distance between them. Then we know the for we have to find the value of theta. So first of all we have to find this BC and AC because tan theta perpendicular over base. Perpendicular means opposite side means opposite side of angle is perpendicular and remaining side means base, and this is hypotenuse because here we can see 90 degree. This is right angle triangle, so it is hypotenuse. We have used tan formula, so here we can use perpendicular over base. First of all, in perpendicular BC is here, so we have to find BC. BC is equal to BE minus CE. BE means 75 feet. Here we have written 75 and minus CE means 50. AD is equal to CE. Here we can see AD is equal to CE. So CE means 50. 75 minus 50, 25 feet. AC is equal to again we have to find their base. So base AC is equal to D. AC is equal to D, that is 25 root 3 feet. Now here we have the figure again. Then tan theta is equal to P by B. It is the formula. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. Theta is angle, so perpendicular means BC. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular BC. Base means AC. AC. Tan theta BC we have find that 75 minus 50. Here we have got 25, and AC is equal to DE, that is 25 root 3, or tan theta is equal to 25 cancel out. Here remains 1, so 1 by 25 cancel out and root 3, or tan theta means tan theta and is equal to 1 by root 3 means tan 30, and 1 by root 3 tan 30. It is the formula, and tan cancel out, therefore theta is equal to 30 degree, hence the angle of depression is 30 degree. Please like, comment and share. Don't forget to click bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.